You guys, it's Jenny. I'm really excited to tell you about this new juicer that was gifted to me. Absolutely impressed with the quality. Super heavy duty base, a digital touch menu that allows you to do fruits, vegetables, even mixing juices, and there's a reverse functions for when it gets stuck. I hate that. It's amazing how much juice comes out of this juicer. One of my favorite recipes for juicing is just simple carrots and celery, and then I add apples for sweetness. So this is a great recipe for people who are just starting out to juice. I feel amazing. It tastes amazing. Juicing at home, there's nothing like it. Let me show you more details of why I love this so much.
I love this beautiful stainless steel look, and this base is heavy duty. It has a really powerful 60 RPM motor with a really long cord, touch screen, menu controls. It also has suction cups, so you're going to keep it on the counter. It's going to stay in place. And I also love that the feed chute itself comes with a removable auger, so you can clean it. Very powerful to be able to get that juice pressed. Here is the feed tube that comes on top of it, where you can place your fruits and vegetables, and it has a filtration system with really small holes, so you're going to get better filtered juice. It won't be full of chunks, which I appreciate. So setup is really easy. You simply put the feed chute down, and then the feed tube locks into place. I love this safety feature. And then you have a handle to be able to help move the food through, which is great. Like I said, it won't run until it is locked in place on the top and in the arrows. So there's two safety features. It also has an overheating feature, so you're going to have no worries running this. I love this recipe, like I said, of just simple carrots, celery, and apples. I just chomp them into small pieces and easily place them in this large feed chute, which is nice to be able to have all that space to place it in. The menu controls on this are easy to use. I love that it's digital. You can do soft fruit, hard fruit, juice mixing, or reverse. The reverse function is really great in case you get things stuck or you want help cleaning. It comes with these little measuring tube or cups that you can place your juice in. And so here I am running it. Easy to use. I hardly even need to push the food down because that auger is very powerful, and it is pressing that juice, filtering it. That cold filtration press system is my preferred way. Hardly any foam, but just pure, beautiful juice. As you can see, the leftover pulp is very dry. It gets so much juice out of it, and it comes out the other side. So when I am finished, look how much juice, you guys. I think it was 1 carrot and 1 celery stalk and apples, and I got so much juice from that. I love that about this juicer. Beautiful filtered pure juice. I put it next to, you can see how much of the vegetable pulp was left. It tastes amazing. I feel so good when I'm drinking that wonderful fresh juice. Home pressing is the way to go. And then cleaning was a breeze. It comes with this brush so that you can kind of get into the nooks and crannies and clean it out. So easy to use. You can also use that reverse function to get the pulp out at the end, which is a great function. But I absolutely recommend this cold press juicer. It's so heavy duty. I feel like it's going to last a long time. Your family's going to love it, pressing all the different things. I feel so good when I am using my juicer. It's just easy to store. This would be a great gift. We totally recommend it.